Hey guys, welcome back, and hello if you're new. As you can see, based off the title, I am bringing you guys a makeup video today. So as you guys probably know, with everything going on in the United States right now with racism and the Black Lives Matter movement, talk about this before we get into anything makeup related, because to me that just doesn't feel right. I want to let you guys know I 100% wholeheartedly stand with you. If you do follow me on Instagram, I did post a post about this already, but since I have a platform here as well, I wanted to sit here and voice it to you guys and use this platform for the greater good. I'm gonna have the things listed below in the description, whether it be a petition or a donation or things like that. I have been bringing awareness over there, so I did want to do it here as well with you guys. I just can't believe this is still a thing that's going on in the world. It hurts, it's sad, and of course I'm never going to know how it actually feels because I'm not a person of color, I know that. But I stand with you. I hear you. I'm listening. I'm relearning, re-educating myself on things as well. I just wanted to sit here and voice that I stand with you. And I am all for the Black Lives Matter. Always have, always will. It's just who I am. I've been raised that way, and it's going to be that way forever for me. So before I got into anything makeup related or anything trying to be positive, because this is what this channel is, I hope that my channel can make you smile and you can kind of escape your daily life or something that you're going through. So for me, talking about this is kind of different. I feel like anyone with a platform, whether it be 5 followers to 5 million, can do something. We can all do this together, and it just needs to stop. You don't have to agree with what I'm saying, but I will 100% always stand with that and stand with you. I have been signing petitions. I will continue to do so. I'll continue to post. I'll continue to do all of that. So I'm going to have it listed below with some good resources where you can check it out if you haven't already. If you are a person of color, I'm sorry that this is something that you have to go through. I want to say I love you guys, and we just need equality. We're gonna go ahead and get on into this, and I hope that it will bring a smile. Alright guys, so today I just have a get ready with me. The first product I'm going in with is this Epion's Renewal Facial Lotion. This is perfect for a moisturizer on the skin before any makeup. It's really nice and silky and kind of glowy. I absolutely adore it. So I'm going to put this all over my face. So for today's video, I wanted to kind of keep it a little bit chill and just do like an everyday makeup look perfect for summer. So that's what we're doing. Next product I'm going in with is the Laura Mercier Illuminating Eye Cream. I love this stuff for under the eyes. It is pretty new for me, but I've been using it and I love it. So it's going to give that nice glowy look under there while keeping it bright and hydrated. So giving these products a few seconds to kind of work its magic into the skin and sink into the skin. I'm going to then go in with primer. Today I'm using the Milk Makeup Hydro Gel Primer. Absolutely love this stuff. It literally is the perfect grip for a foundation, and for summer I just feel like it's like the best glow. I don't know, I'm obsessed. So taking Becca's Skin Love foundation as well as the NARS Natural Radiant foundation, just a little bit of each, mixing them together. I will have all the shades below. I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over my skin for a nice even canvas. Both of these foundations mixed together give the perfect amount of natural glow. Like, it just looks like your skin. I'm obsessed, and of course you can use them on their own, but this little cocktail, awesome. So I feel like I've done this look probably before, but obviously products switch out here and there. And this honestly is one of my favorite go-to looks, especially for summer because it's pretty glowy. But it is a look that I like to go towards for the everyday, and it's very appropriate for that. So if it is similar, I'm sorry, but I hope you guys are okay with that. For concealer, I'm going in with CoverGirl Undercover Concealer. I love this. I'm going to be placing it in a little bit of a different method here. We're going for more of an uplifted effect. So the sides of the nose and just keeping it in that general area, and then the sides of the eyes kind of creating more of an uplifted angled effect, as well as the sides of the mouth. As you can see, everything is just going up, and I'm going to blend in that way we placed it. So it's just going to give more of that, you know, facelift without facelift effect. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend this. I've been doing this for a little bit now, and I really love the outcome and the way that it makes the skin and face look. And it's just like a new awesome way to apply concealer without adding too much. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that in. And then I will be taking LA Girl Pro Conceal in light beige to apply down my nose for a little bit of a conceal there. This will also help like the contour of the nose and a little bit into like the bagged areas of my under eyes. I find that this one really helps and conceals as well. So just gonna blend all of that in. Taking Milk Makeup bronzing stick, I'm going to be placing that onto this beauty sponge and applying it into the contour areas of my cheeks. This is the most natural type of bronzer because it is a cream bronze and it honestly melts into the skin. I know I say that a lot, but it just melts into the skin like it is your skin that has a beautiful, beautiful bronzy color like you just walked off the beach. It's just amazing. So it blends with these products really well. It plays really nicely, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it into the natural contours of my cheeks, as well as my temples, forehead, a little bit on my jawline, and by my nose. And it is the most gorgeous color and most gorgeous blend ever. To go ahead and set, I'm taking the Hailey's Beauty Retouch Setting Powder. You guys probably already know that this is one of my faves. Awesome. I'm going to use it on this brush and pack it right underneath my eye, mainly keeping it in the under eye towards the nose. This is going to help mattify, and just look how like snatched that looks. It literally looks filter-like. And it's not even that much product, like I'm obsessed. And then I'm going to put a little bit on my eyelid just to matte that out and set it, and then put it underneath my contour area just a little bit. And I'm not using a beauty blender today, I'm just going to go ahead and use this brush, but For a pretty blush on the cheeks, I'm going in with the Persona blush, and this one is in the color Georgia. It is a beautiful shade. I'm taking it with this stippling brush to go ahead and really get it on the cheeks as well as like by the nose area. It just looks super like sun-kissed and like gorgeous for summer. I'm not a big blush person, but when it comes time for summertime, it is a gorgeous look. So I'm just applying it in these areas very lightly, and look at that color. Obsessed. This is my kind of blush. Taking the new Too Faced Chocolate Diamond. This is a beautiful bronzer with a little bit of a sheen to it, and it just looks like so awesome over top of a bronzer. So I'm just doing that as like a little finishing touch on top of the bronzer. Obsessed. Then I'm going in with Too Faced. This is a matte liquid eyeshadow, and it's in the shade Chocolate Bunny. So you only need a little bit, and it goes a super long way. I just take it on this brush, and I'm just going to be bringing it from inner to outer corner of my eye. This is just going to run into our crease, just kind of open things up a little bit, add a little bit of dimension in there. And I'm going to be really like brushing it out towards the tail of my brow. This will help extend the eye. I love doing this technique, and honestly, this is one of my favorites to just pop in a little bit of a bronzing color into the eye. It's gorgeous. For a glowy look to the skin, which is super important for me, I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier Indiscretion highlighter and this fluffy brush from Morphe. I'm just going to apply it towards my nose, cupid's bow, a little bit on my cheekbones, forehead area, and I think this color for highlighter is perfect for me, but also is like the perfect highlighter for summertime. It's not overpowering, but it's like the perfect amount. So I'm going to apply it there and really pat in, just sinks into the skin. I'm so obsessed, and you don't really have to overdo it. It's just gorgeous. So this has definitely been like an everyday type of look for me, and it is perfect for summer. For my lashes, I'm going to be sticking with my own today. So I'm taking this Laura Mercier eyelash curler. I'm going to go ahead and curl up my lashes very carefully, just a little. And then I'm going to be going in with one of my favorite Holy Grail mascaras, which I just rediscovered in my collection. It's the Dior Show Blackout Mascara. You guys, I used this when I first started my channel, and it's my favorite still. When I tell you, like, it still makes my lashes look super good. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply on just a little bit, not so much. I don't want to have too many coats. I just want to have it just being like very natural like. So I'm just going to apply it just to the top lashes. For my lips, I went in with the LA Girl Cafe Lip Liner. This is an awesome lip liner if you want that perfect nude kind of lip. I'm going to go ahead and outline my lips and fill it in just a tad. And then I'm going to be going in with another lip color, Ardell Vinyl Vixen Lip Lacquer, to go right over top. It is a beautiful lip color, beautiful color paired with that lip liner, but also a nice shine as well. For a last little touch, I went in with the L'Oreal. This is a liquid eyeliner in the color brown. I'm going to take it and apply some little faux freckles on my nose. I don't know if you can notice, but I do have some freckles like that peek through naturally, but I just wanted to make it pop and emphasize a little bit more. So this step is obviously optional, but I wanted to make it pop a little bit. So I'm just going to pop them on and blend it out, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to have everything listed below like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, so I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.